Hello, my name is Heike and I welcome you to our Quality 4.0 session at the ISPE Annual Meeting. During this session, we will talk about how the holistic control strategy and digital SOP will enable and accelerate us to reach Pharma 4.0. The digitalization has reached the pharmaceutical industry. Our ability to leverage the potential of data has been well understood. However, in a regulated environment like our industry, we must transform our production and quality management system from a heavy documentation-based, functionally segregated systems towards an intelligent, data-driven, end-to-end solution. I'm really looking forward to our session where we will have an interactive discussion about the principle of the holistic control strategy as well about digital SOPs. And to make it really more real life, we will show you a mock-up session how it looked like when digital SOPs are fully integrated into manufacturing execution system. And finally, we invite you to an interactive discussion roundtable where we talk about the transformation itself, the benefit, risk, and the challenges. Thank you very much.